Sleek, intimidating, and authentic to the code R. This national award-winning Ford Galaxie is the kind of ride you always wished your dad would pick up to replace the family's stodgy four-door. Instead of an economical inline-six, it has a top-option 427. And instead of a boring automatic slush box, it has a tough Borg Warner 4-speed. Documented as one of only 204 427-powered Galaxie convertibles assembled for the 1964 model year, this classic is easily one of the finest full-size Fords in the country. The car recently benefited from a comprehensive frame-off restoration that was conducted by Mr. Galaxie himself, Donald Allen. A roster of NOS components is veiled in correct Vintage Burgundy 2-stage that's been teased to a buttery, show-worthy shine. That legendary pigment is fitted with a number of correct details, including fresh brightwork, factory-tint glass, Ford Motor Company lighting, and an NOS top that's wrapped in NOS fabric. One of the best virtues of this Ford is its purpose-built interior. At the center of the car, fresh black benches perfectly complement stainless-trimmed door panels. A freshly finished dash hangs ornate gauges between a blue-trimmed steering wheel, a vintage AM radio, and a vintage clock. And color-keyed floor mats protect like new carpet, which frames a retro shifter. An authentic R-code stoplight slayer, this beast draws big motivation from a correct 427 cubic inch FE V8. The 427 transmits torque to a date-correct Borg Warner T10 4-speed that spins a Ford 9-inch with 430 gears. A scant fraction of Galaxie drop tops rolled off the line with Ford's coveted 427 4-speed drivetrain. Add in a detailed ground-up restoration that was completed by one of the hobby's premier Galaxie experts, and you have a stellar collector car that'll draw crowds at pretty much any show you choose to attend. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.